Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT write longer answers. So here I have asked a question, what is video editing? And then I have added a command or prompt which is page 1. So ChatGPT has given me a nice precise answer for the page 1. Then after that, I have added another command which is page 2. So when ChatGPT stop writing answers, in the command prompt, you will be writing page 2. So it will generate more text or answers as page 2. After it has finished page 2, then you will be writing page 3 and it will give you more detailed answers. So you can continue with page 4, page 5, page 6 as long as you want. So this is how you can expand your answers and make ChatGPT write longer answers. So another command we can use is expand the answer. So if you use this prompt, it will write more answers and detailed answers in the chat box. Another command we can use is continue the answer. So after ChatGPT has given us any answer, we will be writing continue the answer this prompt and it will generate more text. So you can continue with this command as long as you want and then you can make 5,000, 6,000, even 10,000 takes from ChatGPT. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.